Good day, everyone. I'd like to introduce the person I've chosen to interview in our family. It's my sibling, Roslyn De Rivera.
Good afternoon, Mima.
Good afternoon.
May dala po naman activity nga kailangan po mag-interview sa nga member tang family which is second ako napili. So, I have there a 7 question preparation for kung ano ti masisiring about kung paano nag-change po ang social media. So, mag-a-ask lang information kung okay lahat.
Okay, Gad. Sige, Gad. Sagbangan ko kapag kaya ko.
Okay.
Sige.
Okay, for number 1 question, how do you balance the need for instant digital communication with the value of in-person or phone-based interaction? Ate masasabi for that question?
Siguro tak masusugad hit balancing digital and then person instruction is a key. So kahit pag halimbawa mag-priority kayo sa nga tao hit so kahit face to face or mag-meet up kam so kahit close friends or family while using digital commons for staying touch with acquaintance or when time zones differ.
Okay.
Siya lang
Okay,
po.
number 2. What are some of the biggest challenges social media has introduced to clear communication, and how have you adapted your approach to overcome them?
Hit atak masusugad hit emoji and tone in indicator help but I'm also more mindful of my words using clear language so kahit hit pag-clear hit mga yakan so kahit to avoid
Okay.
misinterpretation so gad hit asyala.
Okay. Okay, thank you. Number 3, before social media, how did you maintain relationship over distance, and how has that changed with this instant messaging and social platforms?
Hit pre-social media, we relied on a letters, landlines, and occasional meetups. Now, instant messaging and social platforms make easier to stay connected but sometimes feel overwhelming.
Okay. Number 4, can you provide an example of a time you had to clarify a misunderstanding that arose from a digital only interaction?
Dan,
Can you?
itak masusugad hit nga question hit isa ka sugahit one day sugahit may ala ka friend nga danay na sugahit na misinterpreted by sarcastic remark and a group chat clarify via phone sugahit hit cellphone or magko-call scam sugahit and we had a good latch about it.
Okay. How has social media influenced the way we express emotion and communication? And what are the advantage or disadvantage of using emojis and abbreviation?
Hit emojis and abbreviations can add tone and efficiency but also rings misinterpretation. I use them sparingly considering by our audience and context.